Power levels for crude oil yesterday proven out to be powerful. We expected 74 to give it a greater resistance. Price has precisely achieved 74 and reversed since then. It has shown a good swing and again back to 72.7. Now, what to expect from crude oil today? Can we expect it to trade with higher highs or is it going to trade bearish from the current levels? What is going to be our strategy for trading crude oil today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest update. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Let's start. And yes, if you support the effort, become a channel member. Press the join button besides the subscribe icon. Now look at the hourly charts for all. Now on the hourly chart, see one point here. This was the bottom. Since then, we have seen it scaling higher highs. Now higher highs, it has again fallen back within the zone and trying to rise again. Now also, if you take it from here, you will find that it is turned bearish. I will wait for it to break out beyond again 73, 73.2, 73.6. Three levels. If it trades above these three, you can expect that we are looking forward to 74.2 and 74.8 levels. Now notice one point here. After the sharper drop, see, this is a sharper drop. This is retracement. So this is gradual, suggests that this is under retracement, not a reversal. Thus, any point of time, once the price stays below 72.3, you can sell here, but then wait for 72 to be taken. Below 72, certainly more bearish momentum is going to be seen. Let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. And if you look at the waves, the first wave, second wave, and third wave can take it to higher highs. RSI comfortable. Coming to 2 hour chart, look at 2 hour charts here. See, one point to note on the 2 hour charts, a longer tail is formed and it is forming a tilted wine glass. That is my own pattern here. You can find any point of time you see such long tail, it will always try to create a wine glass, such something like this. Does it suggest that the prices are looking towards 73, 73.6 zone again? And yes, if it stays above 73.6, we can again look forward to 74.2, 74.6 levels. Stochastic rising back to overbought. MACD. Now, this is important. First wave, second wave, MACD is still trading bearish and it is still looking downwards. RSI rising, coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, similar formation here. Higher highs, higher lows. Thus, once you see the price is staying up 72.8, in fact, you can buy. See, this lower price has to be above 72.8. Then we can initiate a buying position and we can expect 73, 73.2, 73.3 zone and then 73.6. Only above 73.6, further bullishness is confirmed here. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is still in the greener zone. It has converged, but it has not yet crossed over. RSI is flat here. Coming to 4 hour chart, look at 4 hour chart. Similar observation, nothing different. If you look at, see, yesterday in our analysis, in the US session analysis, I had mentioned that prices here fail to stay bullish. The body size is less than half of the complete move. We have seen a sharp reversal here. Now, after the reversal and a sharp drop, it is again now looking upwards. Now, see, this is the third bullish candle, which is aiming at 73, 73.2. And in fact, higher levels, as we discussed, that it can try to form something like this. And thus, we can look forward to somewhere here in between 73, 73.5 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now, on the daily charts, see, we have seen a swing. Remember, it is not yet a bearish indication. It is not yet confirming of bearishness. But if this candle closes in red, specifically below the median here, and then the next candle trades below the median here, we can expect 72 as the first support levels, and then it can create higher lows towards 71.5, 71 zone. Now, before we look into further detail for crude oil, and I give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can profit before I come up with my next update. My next mentorship batch, that is 28th mentorship batch, is commencing on 3rd week of January. Dates are announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now. Limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. And yes, you can find all the details on the platform www.forexfunda.com. This is my own platform. And this platform has everything for a trader, be it the economic calendar, where you get the live data release, be it the advanced charts with advanced tools and techniques and strategies, or availability of community of trader. Everything is there. You can discuss with your fellow traders as well. And yes, you can schedule a call with me, which is completely free. You can book an appointment, which is completely free if you're part of my webinar series. Every Sunday in this webinar series, we take a holistic view of indices, commodities, currencies, and I take your live questions as well. Do register for it and enjoy the perks. And else, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Now, on the daily chart, see, one point to note here is higher highs are done. And if you also notice, I have mentioned several times higher highs, lower lows. Now, notice the range 69.4 to 74.1, almost $4.5. The median here is 2.25, which means 71.6, 71.5 zone. Thus, for the day, as long as 71.5 levels are respected, we are not going to treat oil as bearish. Now, one more point here. See, preceding candle is a swing candle. It has created more lows than the highs here. This suggested that the had prices carried very minimal bullish momentum. The next thing is where this candle closes, and the next candle, if you see it trading below 72.3, 72.4 zone, we can initiate a selling entry here. Expect 72 and 71.5 as the next target. And remember, as we have seen on the other time frames, we can expect it to rise if it stays above. In fact, I will recommend you to take a little position above 72.8. Now see, because the stochastic is rising here, the MACD is also in green, and if you notice, the RSI is almost flat and it has scope for it to rise. Thus, considering this, one can buy at 72.8, but with a caution and alert note that 73, 73.2, 73.3 zone, and then 73.6. Very, very nearby levels, but greater resistance level. And if it stays above 73.6, we can look forward to 74, 74.2. Now, this zone is going to play a major role in deciding. I have mentioned several times in my previous updates that 74 levels is the first resistance zone. Then I will look forward to 76.5 and then 78. Yes, prices might continue to yield higher highs. Yes, I have shared this. See, this is what has happened, and now it is looking upwards, which means it can move towards 78 as well. So today is going to be crucial day. Any movement above 74.2 certainly should be a greater bullish momentum sign for oil. Stay bullish above those levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Watch my next update before the US session. Definitely, it will add more meaning to your trading decisions before the US session. Thank you very much. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. Thank you. See you again with the US session update.